Today is Friday the 13th, March. Well, let's hope that's not bad luck, but we're headed out to Hinckley. I was out here yesterday, and they were putting together the dock. Now, today it's windy. I talked to them out there, and they said if it's below 27 knots, you know, they can handle that. We're going to run out here and check to see if they're still working on the dock. Seems like we're in a valley, so hopefully the wind is up a little higher and it's not affecting the lake at all. We'll see in a bit. Water is coming over the dam. Bunch of trucks there. Looks like they were working on the dam. Let's check down here at the boathouse to see what they're doing. Doesn't seem to be as windy here. I should have recorded up there on the road. It was blowing us around and the trees were going back and forth and branches were flying all over the place. So hopefully there is a little bit of shelter from the wind down here on the lake. They have it in place, so they did move it. Because yesterday it was there. Today it's where it's supposed to be. This is Glenn, old man with the cam. Welcome back to the channel. This is the second day of the dock install. Actually, they moved the dock, so we're going to go over there and take a check. But pretty soon we will see vehicles with trailers in here. It's been a while. And it's been a while since we've seen this empty. It was a whole year that the dock was sitting here. So we're going to head over there and take a look at what they've done. Remember, this is day 2 of the dock install. So let's go. They did move it. They moved it early this morning. And you see how there really isn't that much wind down here. Boy, when you get up, I don't know, maybe out of this valley, it's really blowing up there. But they've got it positioned. Now they're going to drive the pilings in. And I didn't know they were going to put this little float dock over here. That's kind of neat. They're going to be there for a while, so let's go up to the peninsula over there and we'll see what it looks like from there. Well, the lake looks pretty calm. The wind is coming from the south, so it's blowing out that way. You could see that, the ripple across there, but there's what it looks like from here. Yep, we have a dock. See if we can zoom in a little on that. Okay. I hear some ducks out here. Oh, there are a bunch of them way out there. But no more swans. Swans are all gone. They got back on their migration route. Let's go over to the boathouse and see what it looks like from that angle. Here's one thing I wanted to point out. I don't know if that's a cypress. Anyone out there know? But look at that. I thought cypress is the only tree that has knees. Look at them. Over here and over there. And in the summertime, you don't see it because all of this is grown up and flowering. Just something I'd point out over here. You can see it is kind of breezy. Okay, and those are the posts. They're going to drive in to the lake bed. Those are pretty substantial. What did he say? 6 inches? 6-inch round. And they're working out there. That's our dock. Let's go inside and see what it looks like from there. I don't know if they're going to put anything over here. That was the question. But at least we have that dock. Remember we saw it yesterday? In previous videos putting it together. And that's what it looks like in here. I frightened the birds away. Let's see if we get one. There we have one. See if we stand still, if we get a couple to come. There you go. A couple of finches. Oh, there's a couple of geese flying up there. Hmm. If you stand still, they do come down. Just no sudden moves.
You think Billy would like something like this? Punch sewing thing? Oh, probably.
Uh-oh. He's going to scare them away. Okay, we'll move too.
Yes, that's right. Wow, and this one too, though. That's what it is. Yeah, it looks like it's about that size. Yeah.
You know that? Oh, the swans are out there. Can you see them all the way on the other side? Driver that they attached to the boat that will drive those piles. You see them? There's 2 swans still out there. I did not see them yesterday when I was here. I don't see any others back there. I did see some geese. I don't know if those are geese or duck. Look like geese. I heard duck earlier. There are still 2 swans here. Maybe they'll stay for this weekend, which is Buzzard Day. One can only hope. We get one pair started, that'd be great. Nice and easy. We're going to hook up the pile driver. The first pylon. They had a heck of a time in this wind getting that thing straight. They measure it on all sides. So this one's almost in. It's only the second pylon. First one is there. Second one is there. Five more. This one just seems to be a little bit harder to get into the ground. That one off to the right there, with a little bit of trouble, they had to get it straight. Went in pretty nice. I don't know how many pounds that is on there. Can we see what it says? No, can't from here. Well, this is about 5 days after we saw all that commotion out here. Remember, they were just stretched out here, putting it together. They towed it over there, and that's where that second dock goes. You remember it was over here? Yeah, we're out here. Today it's been snowing on and off. And then it looks nice, the sun pops out, and then all of a sudden it starts snowing again. But this is what it looks like. St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Let's go over there by the boathouse and take a look at that from that angle. It is snowing quite well. They aren't flakes, they're little round balls. Can you see that? Yeah. Now that's something I wasn't expecting. I don't know if they're going to come and cut those down. but I didn't expect them to be sticking out that much. I know when they drove in the first few, they were that high. But the docks are here. All ready for summertime. So are we. So are we. The peninsula, the lagoon. It's beautiful out here when it's snowing. Okay, just wanted to show the finished product. They did a great job. Yep, love it. Well, now the sun's out. What did I just say a little bit ago? It snowed. We got a little bit of snow and then the sun comes out. Sun shine brightly on Hinckley Lake. But it looks good. It's completed. This is Glenn, old man with the cam, out here at Hinckley Lake. I hope you enjoyed that. So I want to thank you for joining me. Glad to have you along. You have a great day. Not a cloud in the sky. Well, it was sunny just a moment ago. Yeah. Wow.